Hey guys, it is Jen with Mother Time. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am so happy you are here. And if you are new here, welcome. Make sure you hit the subscribe button below so you never miss a video. Today I have another fun and easy craft to share with you that is all part of the Americana collection that I've been sharing over the last few weeks, including the Uncle Sam door hanger and those super cute firecrackers and the flag. Today I'm sharing these super easy USA letters. You guys, these letters are from Dollar Tree. If you cannot find these, you can just grab letters at the craft store at Hobby Lobby. I've seen similar ones. And then I used little wooden jingle blocks from Dollar Tree and some scrapbook paper. Super easy, and I love how this all coordinates with everything that I've shared part of this collection. I cannot wait to show you how I've made these, so let's get started. To begin, I removed the letters from this hanger that I found at Dollar Tree. If you're unable to find this at Dollar Tree, you can check the craft store like Hobby Lobby and buy similar letters. And I used pliers to remove the staples from the back. Next, I took the letters outside to give them a quick sand. I traced my letters out on the scrapbook paper and then cut the letters out with an X-Acto knife. You could use scissors as well. I like using an X-Acto knife because it gives me a nice clean cut. You just have to go slowly and be careful. Next, I add a coat of Mod Podge to the letter, and then we'll attach my cutout letter on top. I trim off any excess scrapbook paper, and then I will apply a coat of Mod Podge on top. Now I will repeat the steps with the next two letters. Next, I'm going to distress the letters, lightly brushing on folk art wax in the color Antique Wax. I brush the wax on the front and also the sides. To stand these letters up, I'm going to use these wooden blocks from Dollar Tree found in the toy section. I add hot glue to the block and then attach it to the letter. And here they are all done. This was such a simple and easy project, but looks great incorporated into the decor. I had so much fun making this. I hope you enjoyed it as well. Let me know in the comments below. Thanks guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.